Introducing the Accounts Receivable Power BI Dashboard, your all-in-one solution for transforming how finance and credit collection teams manage customer payments and outstanding balances. Built for clarity, control, and confidence, this dashboard brings your receivables data to life. Right at the top, key figures are front and center. Total receivables, in-due amounts, and overdue balances. These are clearly broken down to help you take faster, smarter decisions. Essential KPIs like overdue percentage and days sales outstanding, DSO, give you an instant pulse check on your collection efficiency, helping you monitor the health of your receivables over time. Dive into the age analysis of due balances, where overdue amounts are categorized by aging buckets. Whether it's 30, 60, or 90+ days, you'll immediately know where attention is needed most. The Overdue Breakup by Region visual gives you a geographic view of your receivable exposure. Filter the entire dashboard interactively by region or country, making your analysis more contextual and actionable. Looking ahead, the actual versus estimated cash inflow forecast arms you with planning power. Understand expected cash flow based on historical payment behavior and make informed financial decisions with confidence. Track your credit sales performance with the credit sales versus balance due trend. This 13-month view highlights how sales and collections align, a critical tool to detect growing risk or inefficiencies. Spotlight your top 10 customers by overdue amount. Quickly identify high-risk accounts and take proactive steps to recover receivables before they age further. Need to look at the AR status for a specific date? Use the date selector to instantly update the dashboard, past or present, giving you flexible, time-based insights. Power BI's powerful drill-through feature takes it further. Right-click on any data point, like invoices overdue by more than 90 days, and jump into detailed breakdowns by customer and invoice. It's only a click away and adds real analytical depth. Use the navigation pane to explore the Customer Insights page. Get receivables by customer, broken down by aging brackets, with interactive filters for country and city. It's a complete view that helps prioritize follow-ups and strengthen client relationships. Embrace the ultimate ally in accounts receivable, your Power BI dashboard. With seamless metrics, advanced filters, and powerful drill downs, it empowers data-driven decisions that lead to faster collections and better cash flow. Reach out to us at ExcelFort.com and request a demo today.